This is your first look at Onshape, powerful enterprise-grade 3D CAD in the cloud. There's no downloads and no installs. A simple, secure sign-in gives you instant access to your design data anytime, anywhere, and on any available device. Unlike traditional desktop-installed 3D CAD, Onshape does not use files. Each Onshape document is like a design project with its own built-in data management, real-time collaboration tools, and all the parts, assemblies, drawings, and other project-related data such as PDFs, images, and videos. Documents can be organized any way you like, breaking down complex designs into manageable sub-assemblies or logical design tasks. Parts are designed together in a part studio, unique to Onshape. This makes it easy to build designs from layout sketches, share common features across multiple parts, and build robust relationships that update predictably. To redesign this connecting rod, you can edit or delete the original, or you can use Onshape's built-in data management tools to test multiple design alternatives. This enables entire teams to work together in the same part studio or assembly, or in their own branch without affecting the original design. Now you can delete the connecting rod to redesign it from scratch. An initial layout sketch defines the stroke of the piston and controls all the parts in this part studio. You can reuse elements of the layouts to define the conrod. As you sketch, you can add dimensions to accurately size each entity. You can also add relationships to capture your design intent. For example, the diameters of both ends should be equal. You can continue to sketch to build up a layout for the part or parts you are creating, such as the shank that connects the two ends. Hovering your cursor over entities in the sketch will wake up geometric constraints, allowing you to create relationships on the fly and complete sketches fast. You can put all your detail in one sketch or add them to the model as needed. To remove weight from this part, the slot command is the perfect solution. To make this sketch 3D, press the Extrude button. Notice how Onshape extrudes the enclosed, shaded areas of the sketch, but assumes the inner regions are holes. You can easily override this by selecting the regions you want to exclude. This feature has created two new parts, and this is how you would build up a subassembly from a single layout sketch. But for this design, these parts must be connected. Using the original sketch once more, select the connecting region. Only this time choose Add, and Onshape will connect all the intersecting parts to create one part. Finally, repeat the process once more to create the web. To remove sharp edges, you can add fillets. Select the edges you want to fillet and enter a value or drag the manipulator on screen. Repeat the process to add more fillets to blend the shank into each end, and again to remove all sharp edges. Onshape comes with a comprehensive set of modelling tools that are updated every few weeks. However, if you're creating the same type of geometry over and over again, or you need a feature that is specific to your industry, you can build your own custom features. For example, a custom split draft feature. Your custom features behave just like Onshape's built-in features, so they're easy to use and update predictably when design changes occur. Showing the rest of the parts in this part studio, you can see that the conrod fits around the bearings perfectly, all driven by a single layout sketch. You can create drawings of individual parts, entire part studios, or entire assemblies, all contained within the same document. Place the first view on the sheet, a projected view, and in this case a section view through the shank to show the thickness of the web. You can then add dimensions, geometric tolerances, surface finishes, and any other annotations to fully document your parts for manufacture. Assemblies in Onshape can be used to test motion. To assemble a new part, simply drag and drop. You can then use Onshape's higher level mates to assemble parts together with minimal effort. As you hover over faces and edges, mate connectors appear. selecting one from each part assembles them together. Easy. Repeat until you have all parts assembled and then drag with your mouse to see motion. Another way to visualize this is to create a section view. Now you can see all the parts working together. To get feedback from others or work together as a team, simply hit the Share button, add their email address, and assign their permissions. It's that simple. As the document owner, you have full control over who can do what and when. To revoke access to your documents at any time, click the X next to their name. When another user is in your document, their image appears at the top. You can double-click the image to follow what they're doing, which is great for design reviews. As changes are made, everyone sees the updates instantly in all the parts, assemblies, and drawings. If you don't like the changes, you can undo them at any time. Onshape records every action taken since the document was first created. You can restore older versions, create new branches, or even visually compare one version with another. And if your design changes work out, you can merge them back into the original design. In the Onshape App Store, you'll find dozens of best-in-class applications to extend Onshape's capabilities beyond design, including rendering, simulation, CAM, and many more, to round out a complete engineering solution. In this quick first look at Onshape, you've witnessed the power of full cloud CAD. With built-in data management, real-time collaboration, and powerful design tools, Onshape delivers a real competitive advantage. Sign up for an Onshape professional trial today.